How to make a vanilla ice cream.
First, prepare the ingredients. Prepare also the machine.
Open the Chu Alaska all-purpose cream. And put it on a bowl. Using a hand mixer, mix it until it doubles the size. Next, put the chilled nasal cream. Mix it until you achieve the consistency. Put a 1 condensed milk. After you put a condensed milk, mix it until it doubles in volume. After you achieve the consistency, put it on the Tupperware. After you put in a Tupperware, cover it. Put it on the freezer and wait for 4 hours to 5 hours. And this is the final mixture.